Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we will review one of the most popular products manufactured by PC Campana, the Mini Caldo exothermic cutting torch. Setting up and using this great product is both safe and easy as long as you follow the proper steps outlined in this tutorial. Before beginning, please review the safety information and instructions provided in our website at pccampana.com/safety-information. It is important to follow all safety procedures to ensure proper operation of the Mini Caldo exothermic torch. It's also important to consult safety regulations at both state and local levels before using the torch. Let's get started. First, let's take a look at what the Mini Caldo torch is and how it works. Oxygen, combined with the steel wires in the rods, burns at high temperature to perform the cutting task. The torch can cut through practically anything, including concrete, steel, and cast iron. Best of all, this design avoids the buildup of carbon and trace metals, reducing the cost of your cuts. Now that you know what the Mini Caldo torch is and what it does, let's take a look at what's included in the kit and how to safely assemble this exceptional tool. Each Mini Caldo torch kit comes complete in a convenient carrying case. Inside the kit, you'll find everything needed to construct this easy-to-use tool. In this section, we'll go over the parts integral for assembling the torch. First, there's a safeguard shield. This shield is designed to both secure the Caldo rods in place and to provide protection from flying sparks. Second, every kit comes with brass collets in 3 diameter sizes: 1/4 inch, 3/16 inch, and 3/8 inch. These will match the size of the rods you are using. Along with the collets, you'll find the washers necessary to create a safe seal. Next, the kit includes the striker plate. Once you are ready to begin cutting, the striker plate will help you draw the arc needed to perform the task. And finally, the kit wouldn't be complete without the torch itself. Each Mini Caldo torch comes with the oxygen hose and the electric starting cable attached to the handle below the air trigger. Now, we'll show you how to assemble your torch. Begin by selecting the washer that matches the rods you will be using, and then setting it in the opening of the torch above the air trigger. Next, insert the corresponding collet into the opening. Screw on the safeguard shield over the collet, leaving it a little loose to insert the Caldo rod. Compress the end of the steel rod against something firm to ensure it is fully seated. Once the rod is in place, tighten down the shield. Using a power source, such as a portable battery, connect the black cable attached to the Mini Caldo torch to the positive terminal. Then, connect the striker plate to the negative terminal and turn the power source on. The next step is to connect the green hose from the torch to an oxygen tank or supply. It's important to test the Mini Caldo torch prior to using. Gently squeeze the air trigger. You should hear air only at the end of the Caldo rod. Any oxygen emitted near the safeguard shield or collet indicates that there is a gap in the seal. You must loosen the shield and reinsert the rod to ensure proper seating and safe use of the torch. If a portable power source is not available, the torch can be ignited manually with the Mini Caldo plug igniter. Simply light the igniter with a match, causing it to smolder. Insert rod and squeeze the air trigger to ignite. You can use the plug igniter to ignite multiple rods. And that's it. You're ready to start cutting with your own Mini Caldo torch from PC Campana. For more helpful tips and to see all the services we offer, visit us online at pccampana.com. PC Campana, the steel industry's most trusted supplier. since 1969.